Hello, doggies. Hello, doggies. You good boys. Welcome back, everybody. Part 2. Wow, after the first video of linking the Dji Mic 2 with the Avata 2 in unfavourable conditions, it would only be fair if we got the drone up in conditions where it's a little bit better to test the Mic 2. Not gonna lie guys, I was very pleased with the first video. I had a good response. And I was actually really surprised at how loud the Avata 2 sounds on the Mic 2. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like when it's not as windy, because let's face it, the first video, if you haven't already watched the first video, I'll stick it up above. Stop the video here, go watch that, and then come back and see what happens in video 2. So without further ado guys, let's get this bad boy hooked up to that bad boy and let's get it up in the sky. So guys, everything's ready to go. Excuse the messy van and the dog crate there, but we're going to get that sucker onto there just like the first video, exactly the same. It worked really great with the one cable tie and it was nice and secure. You know, I've done some flips, rolls, all that good stuff, and it stayed on a real treat. Well, there we go guys, as you can see, all nice and secure, and that stays on nicely with the one cable tie. Well guys, doesn't that sound better? I'm not going to lie, in the last video, the Dji Avata 2 did sound like a screaming cat in those windy conditions. I'm very pleased to say, a lot calmer today, not as much wind, although it is cloudy. But I suppose that's what you get when you live in the south coast of England in December. I'm not going to edit the video too much, I'm just going to have a play around, a practice at my trusty training ground at Stokes Bay in Gosport. And then when I get home, I'm going to sync the audio up and share it with you guys. So as always guys, I very much appreciate you watching. I'm going to let you now enjoy the rest of the views and most importantly the audio of the Avata 2 with the Dji Mic 2. And I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Guys, there we go. Drone is back safe. Really impressed with that staying on. And again, looking forward to getting this home, getting the video edited, and actually seeing what the sound's like compared to the last video. Like I say, guys, as always, if you do like the content, it's just really me mucking around with my drone. Do drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next week. We'll see you next week at the next video. Thanks for watching.